everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you our Dollar Tree nursery organization. I'm going to show you how I organize these drawers in baby boy's dresser back here, the drawers underneath our crib, as well as the area that's in our closet that is dedicated to him. I used all Dollar Tree items. I believe I only spent around $20. I will have the total, it'll probably be in the title and link below of what I've spent, but Dollar Tree just makes it so easy to organize stuff on a budget. I love all their organization options. This year they also had a really great gray color. A lot of the times they're more colorful, but I love the neutral colors too, so that was really awesome. So first we're going to start off with his dresser. He has 6 different drawers. So with this first drawer, we just have diapers and wipes, and then these changing pad liners, which these are just what we're using to change him on. And then in the second drawer, these are some of the Dollar Tree containers that I got. They actually came in a 2-pack. These little gray storage containers, which I really like. They're great for organizing small stuff like this, like accessories and health stuff. As you can see, we have like his brushes and lotion, toothbrush, nose Frida, all that kind of stuff. I have another one of those back here with some booties that he has, sunglasses, suspenders, just random little accessories and whatnot. I have his Wubba Nubs back here. He has 2, this little Mickey hat, and then in this Ollie World Swaddle box that we got with the Ollie Swaddle, I have his little hats in here. He does have more, but I have them packed ready to go to the birth center for when he's born. And then in this third drawer, here we have his clothes that are like newborn to 3 months. So these will be the clothes that'll fit him the soonest. And for this drawer, I used these cloth organizers. They have little handles on them, but I have them going the long way just so I'm able to fit 2 in here. And these are $1 each. Such a great deal. They have like different sizes and stuff, but I measured my drawers before going to Dollar Tree, so I knew that these ones would fit. So I have all his newborn onesies in here. He has some shorts and little pants in there. And then these are all his like 0 to 3 month size onesies, and then like shirts, and he has like a little sweater and stuff. And I decided to use the roll-up method. I thought that was just the easiest, and I can like easily grab stuff out and see it, so I like that. Coming down to the 4th drawer, I have 2 more of those cloth organizers, the same ones in the last drawer. These are all his pajamas, so these are anywhere from newborn to 0 to 3 month, and there's also a couple 0 to 6 month sizes. So I just have all those in here. I have I have 1 swaddle, muslin swaddle, 2 sleep sacks, and then his Ollie World swaddle is underneath. Thank you, Ollie World, for sending this to us, by the way. And then this is a little giraffe, like nighttime noise sound maker. You can also bring it with you. It has a little stroller clip on it, so I'm really excited to use that. And then in here we have a few of his burp cloths. We do have more than this. And then we have a couple of smaller bibs. And then in the last drawer, it is empty for whatever we want to use it for in the future. And then in his drawer here underneath his crib, it has 2 sections, as you can see. So we just have a bunch of extra diapers in this part, and then we have more in the closet too. We received a lot of diapers because at my second baby shower we did do a diaper raffle, so that was really awesome. And then in this drawer, it's just all his blankets and his extra crib sheet. And then we have some stuff that like accessories that go with the crib, because this crib does change into a toddler bed too. Now we are in our closet, which we actually do have a very big closet, which is nice. And this whole area back here, which is kind of like off to the back, we created into his own little space for storage. So this is kind of like the overview, what it looks like. It's just some shelves, which is really nice. So all these gray cloth organizers are from Dollar Tree. They were each $1. So I got 4 of them. This top one is kind of like his feeding organizer, which the stuff we won't use until he's a little bit older. We have bottles, the Boone grass drying rack, some other bibs that are bigger, spoons, stuff like that. And then in here, this is toys and books for when he's older. They're not ones that he can use like right away, and same with these books. So we're just saving those and putting them up until he is a little bit older. And then these organizers we also got from Dollar Tree. Just the little simple plastic organizers with lids. I really like these. I decided to organize his bigger clothes in these by size. As you can see, we don't have a ton of bigger size clothes. We're gonna have to buy some when we get to those ages, but we do have a ton of his newborn in 0 to 3 month sizes. But I just thought I'd put these in here, and I got these labels at Dollar Tree too. So I just have 3 to 6 month, 6 month, 6 to 9 months, 6 to 12 month. And then in this one, this is kind of one where I'm storing a bunch of like nursing pads and stuff in there for now. And then I also have breast milk bags. And then that's something I need to wash. So, because we just got that shirt in there. But we have basically just more plastic storage bins for if we get stuff for when he's even older than these. And then we have 2 more of the cloth storage bins on this shelf. This one holds our carriers. We have the baby Katana wrap, and then we have the Infantino carrier. I'm excited about the wrap to use it like around the house and even out too. And then Bry's excited about the carrier. He really likes that. In this one, we have these wet bags that I got off of Amazon. I really like these. It came in a 3-pack and they're different sizes, but I thought this would be great to use in his diaper bag for extra clothes or anything. Or if he, you know, gets some of his clothes messy, we can put them in here and these can just be thrown in the wash. And then we also have a stroller hammock in here that we received, which is really awesome. And then I have a binder which we can store like all his important papers and documents and stuff in. I already have papers for like all the items and stuff we bought just to keep track of everything. And then on this shelf we have his diaper caddy. This was from off our registry on Amazon, and we have a couple of those diaper liners, some diapers in there, still kind of filling that up. And then this is his little bath caddy. This is from the Dollar Tree. These little caddies are really nice, and we just have like towels, soap, sponge, bath toys, whatnot in there. And then down here we have, back there is another one of those same little caddies as this, and it's just kind of holding some extra decor items that I'm going to use for when we make his little play area in the loft. So right now it's just kind of stored back there to keep it out of the way. And then we have 2 diaper bags, and I just use these little hooks to put them on. I've had these hooks for a while now. And then we have some extra wipes and diapers. And then this little basket is from the Dollar Tree. I love these. You can use these for laundry, for storing toys in. I mean, there's a lot of things you can use them for. So those are great little baskets as well. But right now it's holding everything for his play mat. I don't know if this will stay here. This will probably end up having more of a permanent spot, but for now we just have it here so it's easy to put away and everything. So that is how I organized everything for his little nursery area, all his clothes and gadgets and gizmos and whatnot. But I hope you guys found this video helpful and got some ideas on how you can organize your baby's room. Let me know in the comments below if you are expecting or if you already have kids, what are their ages? I would love to know. So let me know in the comments below. I love you guys. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Lisa M. Riggs, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.